First is Class A. Third place is a number 33, which is a 1948 Style Master. Owner is Dick Latour from Old Maine. Second place in Class A, which is 49 and earlier. Number 75, it's a Pontiac convertible, 1935, Ken Mitchell from Corinth, Maine. And first place in Class A, number 165, Randy Young, in a 1935 Chevy pickup. Next up we have Class B, which is 50 to 59. Number 176 is a 1959 Chevy, Daniel Gall. Second place in Class B, 50 to 59, number 88 is a 1950 Ford Custom Police Cruiser. Jeremy Dill from Lincoln, Maine. And first place in Class B, 50 to 59, is number 15, is a 1956 Ford Victoria two-door hardtop. Owner is Ralph Conway of Bucksport, Maine. Conway, sorry. Next up we have Class C, which is 60 to 69. And third place is a 1966 Chevelle owned by Danny Cray. Second place, Class C, 60 to 69, number 38. It's a 1966 Dodge Charger, Kennehaney, Bradley, Maine. And first place, Class C, 60 to 69. Also the People's Choice Award. So it won twice, two big awards. First place and People's Choice. Class C, 60 to 69. It's a 1962 Chevy Impala, owned by Ronald and Donald Partridge of Glenburn, Maine. What a big hand. They won two big awards there. Next up we have Class D, which is 70 to 79. Third place is a 1976 Corvette owned by Bob Wright. Second place, Class D, 70 to 79, is a 1966 GTO. Dean Smart, number 114. And first place, Class D, 70 to 79, number 23 is a 1972 Chevy Chevelle SS. Tom McClure, or McClure, Corinth, Maine. Next up is Class E, 80 and newer. Third place, number 54, 1982 GMC Cavallaro, Leroy Jordan, Hancock, Maine. Second place, Class C, 80 and newer. Number 131 is a 1985 Mercury Capri owned by John Canton, Peru, Maine. And first place, Class C, 80 and newer. Number 86, the 2017 Dodge Challenger owned by Tammy Moore, number 86. Next up, we have our hot rod class, Class F. Third place, Class F, hot rod, number 116 is the 1930 Ford Model AA, owned by Gary Saunders of Ellsworth, Maine. Second place, Class F, hot rod, number 11, 41 Willys Coupe, Bruce Johnson, Greenfield Township, Maine. And first place, Class F, hot rod, number 61, a 1932 Ford Deuce Coupe, is Kevin. I'm going to say this wrong because I can't read the writing. I think it's Borja. Next up, we have Class G, which is muscle car. Third place, Class G muscle car, number 119, the 1969 Dodge Charger, Scott Cram, Old Town Maine. Second place, Class G muscle car, number 120, 1969 Chevelle, Scott Cram. Class G, number 1, 1969 Chevy Camaro, owned by Mike Reynolds, 11 Cellar Road in Holden, Maine. He won first place and best in show. If you have not seen this car, go look at it because it is something special. Okay, Class H, which is truck. Third place, number 45, is a 53 International, Richard Connery. I may have got that wrong, but second place, Class H, which is truck. It's a 1969 GMC pickup, Walter Dunnigan Sr. of Stetson, Maine, number 118. First place, Class H trucks, number 146 is a 1970 GMC C10, Jeffrey Davis of Herman, Maine. Next up, we have Class I, which is Jeep. Third place, Class I, number 115, is an 81 J20, Mike Watson from Greenbush, Maine. Second place, Class I Jeep, number 160, is a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Willys, Rebecca Thibodeau. And Becca is extremely excited.
I never win anything.
And first place, Class I Jeep, number 24 is a 2014 Sport Jeep, Tina Chadbourne, Bucksport, Maine. Tina loves her Jeep and she's got the shirt to prove it, so, and a trophy now too. Next up is Class J, which is foreign auto. Third place is a 1974 Datsun 260Z. I believe that's number 76? 96. Kyle Chandler, Kyle Anderson. Second place, foreign, number 50. Is a 1950 Bentley MK4, Penny and Stu Tinker from Bangor, Maine. And first place, Class J, number 47 is a 46 Crossley, Richard Connery I'm going to say it different every time because I can't read the last part of it. Next up we have Class K, which is motorcycle, and our last class. So, third place, motorcycle, number 112 is a 1976 BMW R6016, Al Chambers. Second place, motorcycle, number 82. The 2005 Joker, Rich Conroy, Milford, Maine. Rich, I got it right. And last is first place, Class K. Number 59 is a 2004 American Iron Horse Texas Chopper, Dylan Borgia, Old Town Maine. So here we go. Pre-60 planes. Third place is a 47 Super Cup. Two is a 48 Stinson. Tail number November 584 Charlie. Number one in the pre-60 is a 55 Pacer PA22, November 3831 Papa. Next class is the post-60. Third place is a 172 tailwheel conversion, 9817 Golf. Second place, 83 Super Cup, 652 Juliet Papa. And first in the post-60 is a 69 Skymaster, 3300 Alpha. Next up we have float planes. Third is November 195 1 Tango. Second place, Caravan November 611 Lima. First place, Carbon Cub November 95 Charlie. Next we have the Kids' Choice airplane. That is a Piper Cub. November Charlie 4677 Mike. So now we have the People's Choice Award, which was a Wacko that was up here. November Charlie 17 X-Ray. And last is Best of Show. It's a Caravan November 77, November Foxtrot.